Hello everyone, welcome to MS Aptiv Webcast. In this video, we are going to see the steps on how to create new custom rule assignment policy and how to apply custom rule assignment policy on a specific mailboxes in Exchange 2019. In the last video, we have discussed about rule-based access control permission in Exchange Server. There are two types of rules, admin rules and users rule. User rules can assign by using rule assignment policies with the prefix my. User rule permissions allow users to manage the features of their own mailbox and distribution groups. They cannot manage any other mailboxes. To see user rules, let's open Exchange Admin Center. And for that, I'm going to click on Internet Explorer. Type in URL https://localhost/ECP and press Enter key to access the Exchange Admin Center. Click on More Information and click on Go onto the web page. Let's sign in as an administrator. In the Exchange Admin Center web interface, we need to click on Permissions section. And here we can see the list of all admin rules available in our Exchange organization. In the last video, we have also created one custom admin rule with the name MSFT_recipient admin. Now let's click on User Rules tab. The Exchange organization has a default rule assignment policy that grants users permission to configure all user manageable settings. We can create one or more additional rule assignment policies and assign them to users at any time using Exchange Admin Center. But before we create and apply new rule assignment policy, let's check the default settings for the user mailbox. And for that, I'm going to click on Google Chrome. And let's type URL https://mail.msftwebcast.com/over and press Enter key to access Outlook on the web. We will sign in as an Rakesh Jardos with his password. Let's click on gear icon and click on Options. Click on General. Here we can see all the settings which by default user can manage by himself or herself. For example, let's click on Distribution Groups. Using this, user can search, join or leave any distribution group from our Exchange organization. Let's click on Join Distribution Group. Here we can see the list of all the distribution groups which are available in our Exchange organization. Let's select Internal Information and let's click here to join that group. Here we are receiving message that you have successfully joined the group named Internal Information. Click on OK and click on Close. And suppose if user want to leave any distribution group, that time user need to select the distribution group. You can click here to leave the group, or you can double click on that distribution group and click on Leave to leave this group. It is asking for the confirmation. Are you sure you want to leave this group? Click on Yes, yes we want. And perfect. So using this, user can search, join or leave any distribution group. Let's click on My Account tab. And from this, user can change the display name, contact information, and here we have a settings related to text messaging. Fine. So by default, user can modify the basic configuration of the mailbox with the default role assignment policy. Let me sign out from Outlook on the web. And let's again go back to the Exchange Admin Center as we want to create new customized role assignment policy. And to create a new policy, we need to click on this plus icon. In the role assignment policy window, type a descriptive name for the policy. For example, all standard users. You can also specify description if you want. To grant a role to users, you can select the related checkbox. For example, under contact information, you can select my address information, my mobile information, my personal information, or you can select the main checkbox, my contact information. And to not grant a role to users, you can clear the checkbox as per your requirement. Fine. So here I'm going to select the checkbox, my contact information. Let's scroll a little bit. Here also I'm going to select this checkbox, my profile information like my display name, my name. And at a minimum, be sure to grant my base options to the policy so that those assigned the policy can access their mailbox and basic settings. Select the options as per your organization's requirement and then click on Save. Here we are selecting my base options, my profile information and my contact information. Now let's click on Save to create new custom role assignment policy. We can verify that the new custom user role assignment policy with the name All Standard Users has been created successfully in the Actions Admin Center. To assign a policy to a user mailbox, we need to click on Recipients section. And from the list, select the user mailbox and click on Edit icon. Here I'm going to select a user Rakesh Jardos. Let's select and click on Edit icon. On User Mailbox Property window, we need to click on the Mailbox Feature tab. Use the Role Assignment Policy Selection list to choose the policy that you want to apply to the user mailbox. Let's click on the drop-down button and select the policy which we have created earlier with the name All Standard Users. Let's click on Save to apply the new policy to a user Rakesh Jardos. Perfect. Now to test this, let's again go to the Google Chrome and again type in URL https://mail.msftwebcast.com/over and press Enter key to access Outlook on the web. Let's sign in as an user Rakesh Jardos. Let's again click on Gear icon and click on Options. Let's click on General, and this time user is not able to see settings of distribution group due to the restrictions in new user role assignment policy. That means we have successfully applied that All Standard User Role Assignment policy on our user Rakesh Jardos. So in this way, we can create and apply new user role assignment policy on user mailbox in Actions Server 2019. That's all for this video. Thank you all for watching this video. Have a nice day.